Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. We're continuing working on the M4. Ta-da! It's been a couple days, so everything is ready to be sanded and be painted. First on the line, front bumper off of it. So since front bumper we probably don't have any runs, I'm hoping not. And so I'll go with the 320 600 or maybe just a 600 and finish it up. Then I'm gonna move to the side skirt, then to a door, and then to the M4 itself. I'm gonna bring it inside and gonna make it nice. So of course, yes, primer needs to be sent 320 because I have lots of runs there before I was able to adjust my gun, but that's how it is. And hopefully we're gonna be able to sand everything down, prepare everything absolutely, mask it off, and tomorrow in the morning we can paint it because everything gonna settle down a little, dust and all that stuff. Plus X5 needs to be moved because we need more room. Some stuff needs to be covered. Yeah, so let's begin this episode. Let's start with the front bumper, 320 600. Kuchinga, boom, ready, paint. So guys, as you can tell, it's the next day. Quarter panel prepared, bumper, door, side skirt prepared. Everything is done. So what I wanted to do right now is grab a gray Scotch-Brite, scuff and paste, and prepare the parts for the painting. But before I can do that, I need to take this M4 emblem out, BMW, and this spoiler. Also need to disassemble some fender, and some stuff needs to be disassembled before I can send it. Max is here. He's gonna be helping me out with Yuri, so things should go a lot faster. Also, some of the plastics on the bottom needs to be disassembled. So hopefully everything gonna go smooth and we're gonna be able to paint it in this episode. Next episode, this, we'll see how much. This episode probably, yeah. Wow, you learned something new today. So you can tell, you can see everything is ready to be painted. I have a water right here, I have my paint stuff right there, I have Yuri right here. So we're ready to start painting. It's almost what, 11:30 already. Should have started 8, but yeah, it's 11:13. By the time we're gonna start, it's gonna be 11:30. Hopefully gonna be no bugs or anything like that, and not too sunny. We should be good to go because we're working with a fast reducer, and it's a 65. Alright, let's wet the floor and start painting. We did it. What time is it, Yuri? What time we started? 10, 11? 3 o'clock.
10.
It's 3 o'clock. Anyway, doesn't matter what time it is. The time is, we're done. So, check it out, guys. Everything came out beautifully. Only a couple of issues is on the door. You can see there's a bug on it. So hopefully I'm gonna be able to get it out and fix it. Also was another bug here. But other than that, everything came out flawless. Check out the car, quarter panel, trunk, everything looks good. Look, I mean, this saved a lot. Look guys, how this, see that all this is just flaky, and this stuff, it just sits on it, it stays, it doesn't, Anyway, it looks beautiful, right? So we're painted. That means next episode we're gonna start assembling vehicle together. But there's one issue, and there's one big problem with this vehicle. Should we tell him what's going on, or should we wait for another episode to keep it secret, huh, Yuri? What do you say? Keep it secret. Okay, we're not gonna tell you what's going on, where we screwed up, and I won't tell you if I screwed up or owner or both of us did. So I guess you're gonna have to stay tuned to find out what happened, what's going on. But I can tell you one thing: we're gonna have to paint it again. But you're gonna find out the next episode what causes that to paint it again. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it is, guys. We did a lot of stuff in this episode. We did bunch of stuff actually. I hope you did enjoy it. I did enjoy it. I wasn't busting my ass as I did usually. I mean, we were working, but I wasn't stressing out. And I'm hoping this is noticeable by the way I'm talking and interact with you guys. Yeah, so this is gonna be rough for today's episode. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, smash that like button. If you don't, oh well, next time maybe it'll be better. But other than that, I'll catch you next one.